Are you a non-Muslim resident of the UAE looking for a convenient way to tie a knot? Then online civil marriage may be a perfect option, which means you may now be able to get married online. UAE offers remote civil marriage services, providing a streamlined process for eligible couples. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about getting married online and how seamlessly you can attest your marriage certificate for legal use. What is online marriage in the UAE? This service is offered by the Dubai courts, allowing the couples to obtain a legally recognized marriage contract in the UAE, eliminating the need for in person visits to the courts and thus offering a greater convenience to the couples. What is the eligibility of UAE online civil marriage? Both the partners must be non Muslim. At least one partner must reside in Dubai with a valid Emirates ID. Minimum age of 21 is mandatory for both the partners. And both the partners must be unmarried with a status of single, divorced, or widowed. Required documents for the online marriage are passport copies of both the partners, Emirates ID of the Dubai resident, certificate of singleness issued from the respective embassy or the relevant government entity in the home country, and lastly, translation if the documents are not in English or Arabic. What is the process for online marriages in UAE? Start the application for your marriage contract using your UAE Pass application. Get the approval and complete the payment process. Schedule the virtual appointment via WebEx for the signing of the contract. The marriage certificate with the digital signatures will be issued to you. Once you have the online marriage certificate, it is essential to have it attested to ensure its legal validity and recognition across various institutions within UAE and internationally. GloboPrime can assist you with the attestation of your marriage certificate. Contact us for more details.